गुरु कुम्हार शिष्य कुंभ है, घड़ी घड़ी काढ़े खोट, अंतर हाथ सहार दिए, बाहर बाहे चोट, बाहर बाहे चोट. Namaste viewers, today is Teachers Day. A few months back there was Guru Purnima. You may remembering a very shameful incident occurred on that day. Two students of the school stabbed their principal to death just because the principal asked them to a short haircut. These words of Sant Kabir ji about the role of teacher are worthy in deliberation of the context. According to the statement, teacher is maker of the student. Now the question arises, why teacher made those students so bad if they themselves were the makers? Now we will have to analyze the whole statement of Kabir ji to answer this question.
It implies that the action of shaping the student by the teacher include two processes. First is supportive process, then is restrictive process. Unfortunately, the restrictive process is missing from the role of today's teachers. Today's teacher can be supportive, but they cannot be strict because parents' pressure has made it unwarranted. As a result, such students left unreformed.
So today on Teachers Day, we would like to appeal to all the parents not to misunderstand the strictness of the teachers because their strictness is never devoid of support. The strictness with support is never damaging. क्योंकि कुम्हार की थप्पी गधे को तभी तोड़ती है जब अंदर से हाथ का सहारा नहीं होता.
Happy Teachers Day to all of you!